What's going on, ladies and beardsmen? Today we're going to talk about how to properly clean your beard combs and boar's hair brushes. So the things you will need to get your beard tools clean is a bowl of warm water, beard wash, and a couple of fresh towels. Now that we have everything we need, let's begin the cleaning process. Start by filling the bowl with warm water. Make sure it's not too hot, as you don't want to damage the brush or the combs. Now it's time to add some beard wash to the water. This will help remove any dirt, oils, or residue from the brush and the combs. With the soapy water ready, let's start with soaking our tools. Take the boar's hair brush and the beard combs, carefully dip them into the bowl, ensuring that the bristles and the teeth are fully submerged. Take the boar's hair brush and use the bristles to clean in between the teeth of the combs. Be sure to get both sides, as oil tends to build up over time on both the acetate and the wood comb. You can also use this technique on your beard pick as well. Remember, go in the same direction as the teeth and apply light pressure with the boar's hair brush. Once you are finished cleaning the teeth on all your combs, go ahead and rinse them off with fresh water from a faucet and dry the excess water with a towel. Now that the combs are clean and dried off, let's finish with your boar's hair brush. Dip your boar's hair brush into the warm water and apply a single drop of beard wash into the middle of the bristles. Gently lather the beard wash using your fingers and palms to remove any trapped hair, dirt, or product buildup. Go ahead and rinse the bristles off with fresh water from a faucet. Be sure to rinse until the suds are no longer visible and pat dry the bristles with a towel. Let the boar's hair brush air dry completely before using it again. Place your combs and boar's hair brush on a clean towel or a drying rack. Let them air dry naturally. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll keep your boar's hair brush and beard combs clean and ready for use. Remember to clean them regularly to maintain their quality and ensure optimal grooming. I hope this helps you on your beard journey. Please reach out to us anytime at support@livebearded.com if you have any questions. And as always, live bearded.